In this video, we're going to go over how we calculate the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient on the calculator. This is when we have bivariate data, so we have two variables. So in the example on the left, we're told that the data below shows the temperature and the ice cream sold at an ice cream stand on 7 different days throughout the summer. So the average temperatures are listed here. That's one of our variables, and the ice cream sales are listed beneath. That's our other variables, and we need to calculate the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient. That's going to tell us the strength of the correlation. So on the calculator, the first thing I'm going to do is open a new spreadsheet. I'm going to label this column temperature and this column sales. Okay, I'm then going to input all of the data that I have. I'm going to do them in columns, so all of my temperatures will be listed down here and all of my sales in the next column. Okay, so there we have them. You will have to type these in one by one. I've just sped it up there to make it a bit quicker. Okay, once we have our data input, we go to Menu, Statistics, Statistics Calculations, and this time it's 2 variable statistics. My X list, so my independent variable, is the average temperature, and I want to see how that impacts the ice cream sales. So we're always seeing how the independent variable impacts the dependent variable. So temperature is my independent variable and sales is my dependent variable. I haven't got any frequencies because it's not a frequency table, and I just hit OK. And then it's going to give me lots of different statistical information. I need to scroll down until I find this number R here. So in this instance, my Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient is 0.933 to 3 significant figures. It's a positive number, meaning it shows positive correlation, and it's pretty close to 1, so it's pretty strong correlation. Now, you can do all this without plotting a graph on the calculator. However, I would recommend, just as a sense check, plotting the data on a graph. So to do this, you just hit Control and then you hit the document button, which will give you a new page, and you want to add data and statistics. You then click on the x-axis to add the variable. Now, my independent variable goes on the x-axis, so that's temperature. And my dependent variable is sales, that goes on the y-axis, and that plots it on a scatter diagram for you, so you can check, okay, that does look like it has strong and positive correlation, so that makes sense.